How can you use your data to make your business more efficient, cost-effective, and adaptable? Welcome to Data Bytes, hosted by Kagul, where we cover all that and more. I'm your host today, Dylan Mead, and this episode is all about how Microsoft Power BI can help turn your business data into real insights to drive your decision-making. Power BI is a data transformation and reporting tool. On top of this, it's an ecosystem of tools and services that convert unrelated sources of data into unified data models with useful and interactive visuals. There are two main components to Power BI. There's Power BI Desktop, Windows program used for building data models and developing reports, and Power BI Service, the online software as a service offering that hosts reports for viewing, sharing, and collaboration. The main use case of Power BI is to connect to data from various sources, build relationships, write calculations, and build reports and dashboards to visualize the data and gain useful insights. Power BI is one part of Microsoft's Power Platform offering, so it integrates with your Azure Active Directory. This means that it's easy to restrict who has access to reports. It's also easy to set up data level security so that users can only see the data they're entitled to see. For example, store managers only seeing sales data for their store. Every Power BI implementation has its own set of challenges, but there are a few that we regularly come across and can easily be avoided. The number one issue that leads to slow reports is a result of not focusing on the data modeling. Power BI works incredibly fast with huge data volumes when the model is designed appropriately to suit Power BI's performance engine. If the data model design is left as an afterthought, inefficiencies will be introduced as developers try to meet end user requirements. These inefficiencies can add up and unnecessarily slow down a report. To avoid this, when working with Power BI, make data model design a top priority. Another common pitfall is trying to use one report to meet the needs of every department in a company. While this is possible, managing it can quickly become a nightmare. Each department likely has its own data and its own set of requirements, so it often makes sense to logically separate these into separate data sets and reports. This helps report developers focus on each department's requirements separately. Thanks for watching Data Bytes with Dylan Mead, hosted by Kagul. We hope you enjoyed our deep dive into how Power BI can help your business make decisions more efficiently and effectively. If you like this episode and want to help support the series, please share it with your friends and colleagues. And if you'd like to stay updated on what we're up to, follow Kagul on LinkedIn. That's it for now. See you next time.